In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an element in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor so you can work directly on the canvas. Once you are inside the editor, take a moment to locate the element or section you want to lock. This could be something like a button, banner, menu, image, or even a larger section depending on the effect you want to create. Next, click on that specific element or section to select it. Make sure you've chosen the correct item before moving on, because the settings you apply will affect only the element that is currently selected. If you are working with layered items, it can help to click carefully so you don't accidentally select the wrong container or group. After that, go to the top right of your Wix Studio workspace and click the inspector icon. The inspector is where you'll find many of the layout and positioning controls for the selected element, and this is where the locking behavior is managed. Once the inspector panel is open, scroll down until you find the position section. In this area, you'll see a drop-down menu that controls the position type for the element. This is the key setting you'll use to lock the element's behavior on the page. From the drop-down, choose the lock behavior you want. If you want the element to stay fixed on the screen, no matter how far a visitor scrolls, change the position type to pinned. Then choose where it should be pinned, such as to the page, a section, or a container. This is especially useful for items like floating buttons, navigation elements, or important call-to-action content that should always remain visible. If you want the element to move with the page at first and then stay in place when it reaches a certain point, choose sticky instead. With sticky positioning, you can set the element to stick to the top, the bottom, or both, depending on your layout needs. This option is helpful when you want an element to remain visible only within its parent container, while still feeling more dynamic than a fully pinned item. As you make these changes, it's a good idea to preview the page and test the scrolling behavior so you can confirm the element is behaving the way you expect. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.